In this video, we'll talk about the long vowel sounds again. And remember, long vowel sounds sound just like the letter. A, E, I, O, U. I'll talk about the long O vowel sound. And once again, the long vowel sounds, they have different combinations. First, we have the single O for no, open, code. No, open, code. O, O, O. Next, we have the O with a letter in the middle, then E for home, alone, stove. Home, alone, stove. O, M in the middle, E. O, N in the middle, E. O, V in the middle, and E. Next, we have the O-A combination for boat, coach, railroad. Boat, coach, railroad. O-W combination, snow, yellow, window. Snow, yellow, window. O-W, O-W, O-W. O-E combination for toe, goes, mistletoe. Toe, goes, mistletoe. O-E, O-E, O-E. Make sure you practice, go over some of these words, and just kind of remember the combinations of the long vowel O sound. And I'll see you in the next video, which will be long vowel O sentences. See you then. Bye.